Hi, boys and girls. Today, for your reading lesson or your writing lesson, you need to know when to use capital letters. So, I'm going to do a quick little video so we can talk about capital letters and when you need to use them. All right. So, up here, I'm going to write capital letters because that's what we're talking about. My marker's not working. All right. So, capital letters. Start thinking about, when do you use capital letters? Capital letters. I know the first one that you're going to remember is when we are writing sentences, right? So every time we write a sentence, we always start our sentence with a capital letter. So here's an example. We went to the park. So because this was our sentence, at the beginning, we had to have a capital letter. So we always know that capital letters come at the beginning of a sentence. Here's another reason why we would need a capital letter. We need capital letters when we are talking about specific places. Like if I wanted to go eat at McDonald's, McDonald's would need a capital letter because it's the name of a place, a restaurant. Maybe I wanted to go to Craig's Cruisers or Sky Zone. Since that's the name of a place, I need a capital letter. It's a specific place, Sky Zone. So I need a capital letter because it's the name of a place. Maybe I want to go to our school. The name of our school is Shawmut Hills. I would have to use a capital letter if I wanted to write the name of our school, Shawmut Hills. So when you name a specific place, you need a capital letter at the beginning of the name of that place. So those are two reasons so far why we need capital letters. At the beginning of a sentence and at the beginning of a word that names a specific place. Okay? Another reason why you would need a capital letter is if you're talking about a day of the week or a month. So remember our months, January, February, March, there's 12 of them. So anytime we talk about a month, it has to have a capital letter because it's a specific name of a month. So if I was going to write March, I would have to have a capital M for March. All right. Or if I was talking about November, that's the month that we are in right now, November would have to have a capital letter. So every single month, all 12 of them, when you write the name of them, you have to have a capital letter. You also need a capital letter if you're talking about the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Anytime you write the day of the week, it has to have a capital letter because you're talking about a specific day, Saturday. Okay, so far we talked about at the beginning of a sentence, always have to have a capital letter. On a word that is the name of a specific place, like McDonald's or Sky Zone or Shawmut Hills. Okay, or if it's the name of a month or a day of the week, always starts with a capital letter. Another reason you would need a capital letter is if you're talking about somebody's name. Names always start with a capital letter. So for example, if I was talking about Michaela, I would have to have a capital M because that is her name. And names always start with a capital letter. Or if I was talking about Tilly in the story, A Fine, Fine School, Tilly would need a capital letter because that is her specific name. Or there was a dog in the story, and the dog's name was Beans. Because I'm writing the dog's name, it has to start with a capital letter. So these are a few reasons why you need capital letters. First, the beginning of a sentence. Second, when you're naming a specific place. Third, when you're talking about a month or a day of the week. And the last one is when you are talking about a person's name. People's names always have to start with a capital letter. So today for your homework, you are going to be turning to page 85. And on 85, it says, circle the words that need capital letters. Then write the sentence. You got to write it correctly. So here is the sentence. Jane will have a party on July 4th. There's a couple words in there that have to have a capital letter. So the first thing you need to do is circle or cross off the letter or word that needs a capital letter, and then rewrite it on the line here using a capital letter. So think, do I see any names in this sentence that need a capital letter? Do I see any months or day of the week? Do I see any names of specific places? What about at the beginning of a sentence? So that's your homework for today. And if you need to come back and look, you can always come back and look at this video. All right, boys and girls, bye.